The type of 3D printer you choose will mostly depend on your needs and level of 3D printing expertise. These devices exist in many sizes and shapes, and they are made for certain environments, such as a hobbyist's house, a classroom, or a workshop that frequently has to produce models and prototypes. For home, commercial, and educational use, 3D printers are in high demand since they are cheaper than ever. It can be overwhelming if you need help knowing where to begin, but our video on the top 3D printers can assist. In other words, as we examine 3D printers across various pricing points, we probably have a fantastic choice within your means. So we are here to bring you our top 5 3D printers for 2023. Anycubic Photon M3 Premium. The Anycubic Photon M3 Premium is one of the most recent examples of how 3D printer technology has advanced rapidly in recent years, with resin printers pioneering the way for fine detail and smooth finishes at the trade-off of lower build volumes, more challenging learning curves, and higher costs. It belongs to a new class of printers with an 8K resolution and a screen resolution of 7,680 by 4,320 pixels. Higher resolution can occasionally result in harsh print sections where the natural light diffusion during curing creates an almost stepped effect. It elegantly imprints your dream. To prevent the need to top off resin mid-print, which could result in a mark, the resin tank is also large. To perform better, this tank has a new kind of film. There was less of that typical peeling sound you get with some machines. This printer can compete with much more expensive models in terms of print quality. It would fit in just as well on a jeweler's workbench as it would for a designer of personalized toys or anybody else who demands the greatest output in a quick turnaround. As opposed to a standard T-shaped trod printer, it uses ball screw double-threaded rods, which provide even more lifting structural precision at 0.005 millimeters. You can get Photon M3 Premium's highlight uniformity and stray light-free cob lights or system. The maximum printing volume is 6.7 liter, and the 3D printing size is 250 by 220 by 120 millimeters, giving the designer greater room for creativity while assuring printing accuracy. Effective and reversible dual-activated carbon odor absorption technique. The dual cooling system, which can keep the light's or surface temperature at 65 C, greatly lengthens the light's or lifespan. By how well it performs, you will be astounded. The Anycubic Photon M3 Premium 3D printer has excellent print quality and is simple to use. It may be utilized in a small office or studio because it contains air filters, and its large build volume can perform more functions than most of the competition. It is an outstanding device at this pricing, $629.99. Elegoo Saturn 2. The Elegoo Saturn 2 prints beautifully and is well worth the cost. When resin printing, you should choose a location that is well ventilated and away from any UV rays, such as direct or indirect sunlight. The fumes can still be hazardous even when using low-odor resins. This isn't a problem because the resin typically hides the UV light source. It uses a 10-inch 8K mono LCD screen with an HD resolution of 7,680 by 4,320 and an ultra-fine XY resolution of 28.5 microns to deliver stunningly detailed 3D models with only 1 to 3 seconds per layer of curing time. The LCD screen is protected and has enhanced light transmission thanks to the 9H hardness, scratch-resistant tempered glass above it. With a build volume of 219 by 123 by 250 millimeters and a 10-inch mono LCD screen, You can print one larger model or several smaller models in a single batch while increasing the prototype size and curing efficiency. The exposure times on the resin you'll be utilizing are one item you should look at. You can load a model to slice once your printer is ready. Slice creation for a resin printer differs significantly from that for a conventional FDM printer. With the help of a free-form surface gob lens, 48 highly integrated UV LED lights, and a Fresnel collimating light source, superior printing accuracy can be achieved. The Z-axis has dual linear rails, hexagon socket leveling screws, and non-slip hexagonal sockets. The sandblasted surface build plate provides much better adhesion. PFA release liners have an easier time releasing models and less release tension. Place your model at an angle before printing it to provide additional surface area for the supports to adhere to. The filtration system's activated carbon filter can absorb most of the resin smell, which creates an odor-free, new printing environment. 3D printers' service lives are extended by double heat conducting copper heat tubes with quicker heat transmission and greater heat dissipation efficiency. This might be your second best choice. Anycubic Photon D2. This evaluation of the new Anycubic Photon D2 DLP resin 3D printer should assist you in determining whether the printer is ideal for you. It gives you better printing accuracy than LCD 3D machines of the same resolution by focusing light through thousands of mirrors into the resin tank's bottom. This technique reduces light's distortion and diffusion. The Photon D2 3D printer's double light uniformity algorithm allows it to increase light uniformity to a level of more than 92%. In addition, the anti-aliasing effect is much improved by using an anti-aliasing algorithm, improving the miniature's details. With a DLP projector that has a 20,000-hour lifespan and is 1/4 the power of an LCD printer, you can save a lot of money. It is also 10 times more durable than an LCD printer screen. DLP 3D printers produce less heat than conventional 3D printers, which can be directly dissipated without fans. The noise of the machine operating is as low as 35 dB, which is hardly audible. Due to their low cost, weight, and strength, aluminum and plastic were employed primarily in the construction of this printer. When using the machine, you can immediately tell it is of high quality and in keeping with what you would anticipate for the price range. This is ideal because it offers alternatives for every consumer and can be a useful learning tool if you want to explore more complex settings gradually. Overall, this printer's performance is excellent and competitive, given that it costs less than rivals who can make parts of the same caliber. Now that you are aware of why DLP resin 3D printers are desirable. Anker Make M5. Anker Make M5 prints 5 times quicker and with 0.1 mm accuracy to produce extremely smooth curves. Your prints remain accurate thanks to the integrated AI camera recognition system. Additionally, you can print from many devices wherever you are. Stop waiting and let it assist you in printing quickly and efficiently at every stage. Anker Make V6 Color Engine is an add-on multicolor and material module that gives the M5 adaptability and diversity. Power Boost optimizes energy with its Y-axis transmission mechanism and enables high-speed precision. Power Boost employs a potent stepper motor, a double belt drive shaft, and a stabilized motion algorithm for high-speed printing. Even when printing at a 5 times faster rate, always maintain consistency. You are released from smooth sanding with Anker Make M5 in every 0.1 mm thick layer. Thanks to a revamped Ultra Direct Extruder, you can feel the delicate details after a 5 times faster print. An improved Ultra Direct Extruder allows the nozzle temperature to reach 392 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, 1.5 times faster than competing printers. Strong twisting forces the melting chamber faster under pressure, accelerating extrusion. As a result, the filament discharges smoothly while the print job moves at a rapid 250 millimeters per second. The Z-axis printer has two fans that blast out 1.3 times as much air as conventional printers. This helps your model cool down more quickly and prevents stringing. The integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure increases the base weight. Because of the design, printing is more stable at high speeds. Enjoy your works of art and showcase them with time lapses that are simple to post on social media. Creality Halot 1 Plus. The Halot 1 Plus is a user-friendly resin 3D printer with a sizable build volume that prints consistently and with excellent quality. The Halot 1 Plus is totally enclosed and somewhat portable. Its dimensions are 236 by 243 by 418 millimeters, and its weight is just under 7 kilograms. The cover is necessary to shield your eyes from UV rays, and because of its dark blue color, it isn't easy to look through. More steady motion, accurate and stable movement is guaranteed by the Z2-axis linear railroads and T-shaped screw rods. The layered texture is significantly reduced, and there are no printed layer deviations. Even intricate models will print flawlessly. It gives you access to vivid details. Every detail is beautifully reproduced on a 4K mono LCD, bringing creativity to life. You may now level in 3 steps with a calibration card. The improved accuracy and success rate, Wi-Fi support, remote control capabilities with the Creality Cloud app, and effective management. Check your prints with a brand new interface and a 5-inch HD full-view multi-touch screen that supports 14 languages. After setting and entering the password, you can print directly to the Halot 1 Plus over Wi-Fi. The software will estimate the print time and the amount of resin used. Although you will need to learn how to add support to resin models, it is rather simple. After printing, you can perform a cleaning cycle that cures the entire printed layer and should remove any minute particles that may have accidentally fallen into the resin vat. The print quality is outstanding overall, and you can use the entire build plate without compromising quality, thanks to the excellent light homogeneity. You now understand which is the finest choice for you. You will find all the product links in the description below. Check them out. 3D printers have been making life easier for prototype builders, architects, and engineers, which is why we are happy to have given you our top picks on this matter. We hope this information helps you in making the right choice. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and kindly share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.